Jai Swaminarayan student. Today we are going to study about the compare instructions. આજે આપણે compare instruction વિશે ભણીશું. What is the compare instruction? As you know, to compare the instruction we need a two data. કોઈ પણ comparison કરવું હોય તો આપણે કેટલા ડેટાની જરૂર પડે? બે ડેટાની જરૂર પડે છે. Here we will take a two data like A and B. We have a two data A and B. When we are comparing them, there will be a three status. Either A is greater than, either B is greater, or either they both are equal. કાં તો A મોટો હોઈ શકે અથવા B મોટો હોઈ શકે અથવા બંને સરખા હોઈ શકે છે. That is known as a comparison of two instructions. Okay, for the comparison in the 8085 there is a two instructions we can use. Okay, so first mnemonic is CMP R or M. Here R is the register, M is the memory register, and CMP is the mnemonic for the comparison of instruction. This is the mnemonic. Okay, so this is used for the comparison of two data. First, how we can know A is greater than, B is greater than, or both are equal? So that is depends on carry and zero flag. જે આપણે PSW છે, પ્રોગ્રામ સ્ટેટસ વર્ડ. પ્રોગ્રામ સ્ટેટસ વર્ડની અંદર એક કેરી ફ્લેગ આવે છે અને એક ઝીરો ફ્લેગ આવે છે. There is a two types of flag, carry flag and zero flag. From the status of these two flags, we can know either it is greater than, less than, or both are equal. Suppose take the example CMPB. અહીંયા હું લખું છું એક્ઝામ્પલ તરીકે કે CMPB. So what it does? It compares A and B. એ કોનું કમ્પેરિઝન કરશે? એક્યુમ્યુલેટર અને B ના ડેટાનું કમ્પેરિઝન કરે છે. See here, for the all the most of the instructions in a 8085, the one data must be compulsory in the register A. એક ડેટા કમ્પલસરી શેમાં હોવો જોઈએ? એની અંદર જ હોવો જોઈએ. Okay, so when we are write here CMPB, then it compares A and B. A and B નું શું થશે? Comparison થશે. શું થશે? Comparison. So after the comparison, now see the status flag, carry flag and zero flag. Okay, see the status, carry and zero. If carry flag is set, zero flag is reset. જો carry flag set હોય, બરાબર, set નો the meaning of set is a 1. The meaning of set is a 1. When the carry flag is set, then it is 1. Then A is less than B. A કેવું હશે? નાનું હશે. When carry flag is set. When zero flag is set and carry flag is reset, then A is greater than B. A ની વેલ્યુ કેવી હશે? B કરતા વધારે હશે. Okay, when both are 0, A is greater than B. Okay, and when A is equal to B, zero flag is 1, carry flag is 0. See here, for A less than B, when the carry flag is set, A less than B. When zero flag is set, when zero flag is set, A greater than B. When both are equal, both the carry and zero flag must be a 0. બંને કેવા હોવા જોઈએ? 0 હોવા જોઈએ. Then and then they both are equal. Okay, so you can see it here. Okay, again this is the comparison of A and B. આ કોનું કમ્પેરિઝન છે? A અને B નું કમ્પેરિઝન છે. When both are equal, when both are equal, A is equal to B, then carry flag and zero flag both are કેવા હશે? સરખા હશે. Means they are in the reset condition. કઈ કન્ડિશનમાં હશે? Reset conditionમાં. When carry flag is set, when it is 1, A less than B. When A greater than B, zero flag is 1. So This is the comparison instruction. Another mnemonic for the compare instruction is CPI. કયું છે? CPI. When you want to compare the data directly with the accumulator, we have to use CPI-B. When we want to compare the two register, then we have to use CMP. But for the comparison of accumulator with the data of 8 bit, then it is directly used the CPI instruction. કઈ instruction use કરવાની છે? CPI નો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે. Same example, CPI, you can write the data 20H. Now it compares A with 20H. કોનું comparison થશે? A ની સાથે 20H નું comparison થશે. When A is less than 20H, carry flag and zero flag. This is 1, this will be 0. When A is equal to 20H, both are 0. When A is greater than 20H, then zero flag must be 1 and this will be a 0. Sorry. This will be 0 and this will be 1. Okay. When both carry and 0 both are 0, then A is greater than 20. When A is equal to 20, this must be 0, this must be 1. When A less than 20, carry flag must be 1 and 0 flag must be 0. So this is the comparison of instruction. Now you will be asked that, and the last instruction is complement of accumulator. Okay, this is the NOT gate. For the complement of the accumulator, there will be a using of CMA. Okay, this is the mnemonic. Whatever the value of accumulator, that will be converted into 1's complement and 2's complement. Suppose A is equal to 5 to H. So first convert this number into the binary. So the binary of 5 is 0101, binary of 2 is 0010. After the using of CMA, this 0 must be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so this is A, this is D. Okay, so after the execution of this instruction, the value of A is ADH. કેટલી value થઈ જશે? ADH value થઈ જશે. So this is the comparison of any or complement of any accumulator. So this is the comparison or logical instructions. In the logical instruction, further we are going to revise them. What we have studied in the logical instructions? In the logical instruction, there is different parts. The first is or operation. For or operation, there is two mnemonics, ORA and ORI. Then AND operation. In the AND operation, there is a two mnemonics, ANA and ANI. Then it has a XOR operation. It has also two mnemonics, XRA and XRI. And the last is the complement. In the complement, there is a one, it's a CMA. Okay, so this is the logical operation first. Then second, it uses the rotate instructions. શેનો ઉપયોગ કરે છે? Rotate instruction. In the rotate, there is a two types of rotation, right rotated rotation and left rotation. બે પ્રકારના rotation તમે ભણ્યા છો, right અને left. For the right operation, there is a two mnemonics, RAR and RRC. Okay, and for the left, it's a RAL and RLC. Okay, this is with the carry and without carry. Okay, and the last you have studied, that is compare instruction. છેલ્લે તમે શું ભણ્યા છો? Compare instruction. In the compare instruction, there is a two types. There is a two mnemonics, CMP and CPI. This is the register comparison, and this is the data comparison. There is a two types of comparison you have studied. Okay, next further we are going to revise. You have also studied the arithmetic instruction. In the arithmetic instruction you have studied for addition and subtraction. તમે બે ભણ્યા છો, એડિશન અને સબટ્રેક્શન. ઓકે, એડિશન you have studied ADD and ADI. For the subtraction, SBB and SBI. Okay, this is the addition of A and register. This is the addition of A and register. This is the addition of A and 8-bit data. This is the subtraction of A and 8-bit data. Okay, so you can use these different types of instructions: SUB, SBB. Okay, you have also studied SUB, ADC, and ACI, SBI, SUB, SBB, SUI. You have also studied SUI. This is for with borrow and with carry that you have studied. Okay, so this is the different types of arithmetic instructions you have studied. You have also studied about the increment and decrement of register. You have also studied about the increment and decrement. For the 8-bit you have to use INR. For the 16-bit increment you have to use INX. Also for the decrement you can use DCR and DCX. This is for 16-bit and this is for 8-bit. This is for 16-bit increment and this is for 8-bit increment. Okay, so this is you have studied different types of arithmetic instructions. In the arithmetic instructions there is a 3 parts: add instructions, subtract, increment and decrement, and the last is the decimal adjust accumulator. Okay, so this is you have one, and the last is DAD, double addition. This is for 16-bit addition of data. 16-bit addition, 16-bit data તમારે addition કરવું હોય, then you have to use DAD instructions. Okay, also you have studied about the data transfer instructions, that is move, MVI, then LXI, LDA, STA, LHLD, SHLD, LAX, STAX, and the exchange. Okay, you have also studied the different types of register at different types of addressing mode. What is the addressing mode? Addressing mode is the various ways to demonstrate the instructions. Okay, so all these things remember for the mid-sem exam that will be asked. In the mid-sem exam we are going to ask about up to compare instructions. આપણે compare instructions સુધીનો syllabus એની અંદર પૂછવાના છીએ. So compare, so do your revision up to compare instructions, unit number 1, unit number 2, and unit number 3. In the unit number 3 the syllabus is asked up to compare instructions. Okay, best of luck for the exam. Jai Swaminarayan.